Hello guys, Kitty here, and today is not a cooking video or a going out vlog, but it will be a unboxing video. I will be unboxing this and this right here. Okay, let's get to it. So this is the Florasis cosmetic gift pack. So unfortunately the gift set does not send to Australia. So I was very fortunate that one of my friends were able to get it for me from overseas and ship it to Australia. Okay, are you excited? Let's get into unboxing. So first we'll be unboxing the big item first, and let's see what it is. I'm gonna say this is very well packaged. And here we have this. Oh my god, it's actually very heavy. So here is our gift box. So when I ordered this, I actually don't remember what it was gonna look like. But yeah. Ooh. So it opened up to this. Oh my god, it's kind of like a jewelry box, kinda. And is it? Oh! And the front also opens with drawers. I will insert a clip of what the whole box, like close up of the box. It's so pretty. Okay, next item is this a box right here. Because this was a present, I did get to choose what set I want, but it was a while back, so I actually don't remember what's coming in this set. So I'm quite excited. I think it's a lipstick. The packaging is so nice. You know, when it like this, sometimes I just don't want to open and use it. It's so pretty. Okay. Wow, their lipstick is so there is engraved of I think it's birds or something on the lipstick itself. We will insert a close-up look of this lipstick. So pretty. Oh my god, how can I use this? It's so pretty. Here it is. That's the lipstick. Oh, this is the Peony Exquisitely Carved Flower Pattern Eyeshadow Palette. I have to say, man, once again, their packaging are amazing. It's so beautiful. Palette and wow. Check this out! It's so beautiful. There's is like carved, like flowers and birds. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is the eyebrow pencil. So here's a pencil. On the side is a brush on the side, this side, and on this end is the pencil. And it also comes with a refill. Oh, beautiful. So this, I believe, is the eye. Oh, this is the eyeshadow brush. Oh, I thought it was the eyeliner. So here's the brush. I believe these are cushion. Lotus Cut Clarifying CC Cushion. I need a new one of this. Mine's running out, so this is perfect. I think what I will do is the next video clip I will be reviewing their product. So this video will just be unboxing. The struggle. So here's the cushion. So you have your pad, and yeah, you will have the product. Once again, the design is very beautiful, and the packaging, I just love the packaging. Oh, see. Okay. To open. It's more like this video should be more like watching Kitty struggle to open each package. So this is their gorgeous peach blossom powder. Oh wow, look at this. I love how each have like a different picture on them. And then I guess you will lift this up and the powder is down. Yeah, okay, cool. Whoa. Okay, so I just need to remove this and the powder just there. Oh, I like it how it's like this, so you're going to get like, you know, extra powder on. Like some, it just have like holes, little holes. And like my other one, I flip it open, and one that I flip open, I flip it completely over, it went everywhere. So this is just perfect. Oh my god, I just love it. Can't wait to try these on. Okay, I think this is now the last item that comes with this gift set. Look at this! Whoa. I'm so confused. Like, how does this work? I think it's supposed to put like this, and you put it in your room like as a decoration. I think that's how they do it. Oh, look at this! So pretty! So I think that's it for this gift set. So it comes with a box that you can put the makeup or your jewelry, like a jewelry box, and it comes with this for I guess it's decorating. And then it comes with a powder, a cushion, lipstick, eyeshadow brush, eyeshadow palette, eyebrow pencil, and the complete gift set from Florasis Cosmetic. I will leave the link down in the description box. And also, if you want me to unbox anything or review any products, please comment down below. I hope you guys enjoy watching me unboxing this. And please give this video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell for more video guys. And until next time, love you all. Bye.